All right, we're back. We've got the winners of the Klein Tool giveaway right after this.
Cool.
Here I come to save the day.
The Mighty House crew is on the job. This is
Mighty House.
All right, we're back. And, ooh, nice job, Rich. Right to the Klein Tools logo. Perfect.
Don't have a lot of jobs here.
Click on that subscribe button below, and you can also click the bell. That way you get notified every time we post a new video. And, of course, leave a comment below. We always like hearing from you guys, just like we did here this week. So, again, we should probably date this. These were the winners for the Klein Tool giveaway. What did we call this? What was it called, Sonar? Kleinukka,
Klein
Christmas
Tools,
with
the giveaway, Santa Klein, Christmas with the
Kleins.
Kleins, all of it.
Something like that. That's what we were calling it.
And
Kleinukka.
right.
There you go. So anyway, and this is December 10th?
8th.
8th, of course it is. And it is 2021. So if you're watching this anytime after this and you want to enter, sorry, too late. Join us next time. We'll have other stuff. That's right.
Hit the bell so you know when we do a new show. And then last week when we released it, you would have known you had a week to enter.
And we're giving stuff away in and out throughout the year anyway. Just, you know, just like this, Klein sends us stuff. We've got stuff over here from different manufacturers. They give it, and we just...
And I got a post hole digger I've been trying to give away for like 14 years.
We're going to clean out a garage next. Here we go.
Next.
All right.
Yeah.
So
right after this.
We asked you guys to send in some letters and ask for one of the tools. And if you didn't see that, you can go back and watch the previous episode. And we'll have that, and you'll understand what we're doing now. So how about a quick overshot again there, Sonar, of the tool that we've got to give away. We've got the pass-through crimpers for the Cat 5, Cat 6. We've got this level angle finder. We've got a tail light for your
hard hat.
For your hard hat. Left-handed pliers. Right-handed pliers with comfort grip, and they're also called Ironworkers Pliers. And then this one right here is the insulated screwdrivers with the magnetic option. You can magnetize
or demagnetizer.
Right. All in one package.
So that screwdriver set with the north and south poles.
Yes, it is. There you go. Okay, so let's get a quick rundown on these. The first one is from Jim. I need a visit from Santa Klein because I need all the help I can get. And of course, someone had to comment thereafter on it. Someone also agreed with Jim and said, yes, he definitely does need some help.
So yes, nothing like having friends.
That's right. So after that, we got one from Jeff. I'd love the safety light or slim tip screwdriver set. I've been a loyal Mighty House listener since 2012. And also been serving on the board, so we know who that Jeff is, since 2013. Right. That's only because I said, hey, buddy, you want to help out on the board? And he said, yeah, sure, why not? Guess who's president this year?
There you go.
So
and that happened to you 20 years ago and me 15 years ago, and that's how this all happens.
That's how it works. All right, so Jeff entered. He would like the light or the screwdriver, so we'll figure that out in a minute. Ken, love their tools, talking about Klein, but they always keep growing legs and walking away from the job sites. So I understand. See, I also have the problem. I pull up on a job site, and the guys go rattling through my truck, and then half my tools are gone. So I understand the pain there, Ken. Mark, he sent an Instagram sound card that showed a picture of him putting up his Klein Tools 2021 Christmas ornament on his tree.
Dedicated.
No.
Yes. That was our...
Instagram. I'm just a little too slow on that, but I get...
And we tried to download it so that we could show it here today, and it didn't work. So we weren't able to do that. And then
you could have contacted the CEO. He was in Washington for sure today. I did know that.
Yeah. So then Sarah said, thanks for the great shows, which, okay, I appreciate that, Sarah. We wanted you to kind of at least ask for a tool or something, but I get it. Here's another one.
She already sees two standing in front of her.
Right. It doesn't need any more.
What a couple of tools.
So here's another one. Dear Santa, I could use a digital level. It looks small, but would work with many projects. I'm not a tradesman, but a home improvement junkie. Really enjoy the show. Keep up the great work. And that was from Frank. And, we had asked people to post on Facebook, but we got emails, Instagram messages, all kinds of stuff. So
It's because Mighty House is worldwide. It's all over.
wow, is that what it is?
That's what it is. You're all over the place.
Worldwide, but not live.
Yes, not live.
Not
They'll
live.
come out with a vaccine to fix that, don't worry.
So here's another one. Gentlemen, I found an email. I found that email you again was the simplest way to ask Santa for some wire cutters. I like the comfort grip version as I have large paws. I guess that means hands.
Yeah, I would assume.
Okay. I'd appreciate a good word from you guys.
Asking for something.
Yeah, I'd appreciate a good word from you guys to the Klein Kringle. Interesting. That's a new one.
Klein Kringle.
All right, put that one down. So we got Klein. We got to write this one down. Klein Kringle. All right, let's see how offensive that is to somebody.
I can't wait till Klein sees all this.
Oh, yeah,
they're
gonna
going to
love
get more
it.
stuff or no stuff.
That way, when we have Kleinmas in July, we'll know.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, jeez.
There you go. All right, here's another one. I don't do Facebook, so I'm hoping this email will suffice. I've been a left-handed electrician for 9 years, and I didn't even know they made left-handed lineman's pliers. I've been a relatively good boy this year, so I would love some Klein Tools. So that's Mark. And the last one we've got is my husband's one of those people who does not have a Facebook account, so I'm entering the giveaway for him. A number of years ago, my husband, a DIYer, decided to open up the main electrical box and replace the circuit breaker.
DIYer.
DIYer. Is that what I said?
No, I thought you said DUIR.
Oh, DIYer. That's the old law enforcement guy in me.
I just didn't want to make sure he was a DUIer.
No. DIYer. And so he opened up the main electrical box to replace the circuit breaker. He had never done it before. Attached is a picture, Sonar. Do we have a picture? There we go. Attached is a picture of the screwdriver he used. He swears that the shank of the screwdriver only came into contact with some of the main wires only for a fraction of a second. But somehow, looking at the melted part on the shank as shown in the second attached picture, does not give me sense of calm. So I'm trying to win the giveaway for my insulated screwdriver set.
Yeah.
So and
That
then
actually looks like a snap-on screwdriver.
yeah, it does. It does.
See that handle? That red with that?
Uh-huh.
That looks like snap-on. So that guy might have just toasted a pretty expensive screwdriver.
Yeah. So and then she also said she'd like the safety lamp if nobody else was if somebody else wanted the screwdrivers. He doesn't generally use or wear a hard hat, but he regularly walks in the dark, so she figured she could put this on him. And he walks in the dark with blue jeans and a dark navy jacket.
That sounds like he needs more of a bell.
Yeah.
We'll get in touch with AO Safety and get him a vest.
Yeah. So he wouldn't use exactly what it was intended on a helmet, but I'd sure figure out a way to connect Klein's safety light to him as a second beacon and use this device to attach to his car when he's broken down. And by the way, I don't think the naming of your event with Santa's name is the best choice. Santa Klein. She didn't like that one. But rather think that Santa wants his workers, elves, to be safe and highly productive, so certainly he has them using Klein Tools, lamps, etc. already. So I think a good use of the phrase for the giveaway would be Santa's elves use Klein.
Okay, that seems legit.
So
Santa's
I like
got
that.
some electricians.
Yeah.
There's a lot of lights for the North Pole.
yeah, and that's a nice long email, and but entertaining at best. So I think
Yes.
from that, we're gonna send out Ellie these screwdrivers, and
Yay.
And I'm good with that because, as I said, if that was a snap-on,
yeah,
it's a fair trade.
yeah. So
I mean, Klein Tools are quality tools made in this country.
That's
but
right.
The snap-on screwdrivers, not cheap, so
yeah, no,
that works.
it's good. So And let's see, who is this? Oh, Mark. He wanted the left-handed one, so since he actually requested those, we're going to send. You want to give us an overhead shot of that right there?
Which was actually part of our Robbie rules.
Yes, it was.
Was to sort of request what you wanted from Santa Klein elf
Right.
user factory, whatever.
So we're going to send the left-handed.
Thanks, Ellie. I'm all messed up now.
Yeah,
Thought
we'll
we had
send
this nailed
those
down.
left ones to him. And then, let's see, who else do we have? We've got Jeff. He wanted the light, so we'll send him the light. And then
Okay.
Jim, we're going to send this one right here. And then if we can get a hold of Ken, who loses his tools all the time, this has a handy little pouch, so he can put this on his belt. And then that way it won't grow legs. It will actually stay with him. So we'll send those out to Ken. And
It's a shame you can't put that on your hard head.
oh, you might.
Wouldn't that keep you level-headed?
Oh! Good one. There he is. Boom.
Drop the mic. I'm out. The jokes don't get any worse than that. Wait, yes they do. Watch this. I'm done.
Hey, where you going? Where'd you go? Oh, there you
Got
are.
me igloo. Just checking my Mercedes in the frozen carport.
Oh, and how was it? It was okay?
It's good.
It's good?
It's good.
All right. And since nobody requested the crimp, the pass-through ends for the data plugs, these right here, I think what we're going to do is actually save those. We'll get a set of the pliers, the terminators, and the cutters and everything. We'll show people how they work, and then we'll give that entire set away. How's that sound?
I've got a spool of Cat 5 that we can.
Dude, don't bring it. We got plenty in back. There's plenty in back. We got 500-foot rolls, the
Everybody
1,000-foot
needs it.
boxes of
Oh,
those
yeah.
things. So we got plenty of it. So we'll do a separate giveaway for those. And appreciate everybody entering and sending us a note. And obviously, stay tuned because we're always giving new stuff away. And as long as Klein keeps sending us stuff, we'll keep talking about it and we'll keep giving it away so people can play with it.
And we'll hear from marketing probably in 48 hours with a cease and desist or with gaps. We don't know. We don't know whether the letter's going to come from marketing or from the legal side. So we'll see how this all plays out. Thank you very much for participating. Have a happy holiday season.
All right. And with that, keep it square and level.
Until next time.
Until next time. All right. There you go. That wasn't too bad.
They're just going to tell us to just stop making puns. Just cease and desist the puns. That's all we ask.
All right.
Not
Fine.
like I'm Mike Rowe and I actually know this stuff.
All right. No more Klein Kringle. Okay?